Hello friends, in this video we will learn how you can check your monthly, weekly and your custom performance report so that you can check where if there is any loopholes or if you want to create any sales strategy, how your team is working and everything. So click on dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, there is an option of monthly. Click on monthly. Okay, here you will get the list of your team member, the monthly lead count they have taken, total monthly lead count, total monthly booking count, total monthly selling price, total booking count, today's like today how much booking, today's booking selling price, and the conversion rate. Once you will click, you will see here the total monthly leads assigned to you, monthly package you have booked, average selling price, your overall selling price, your conversion, and everything. Also, you can compare your target versus the achievement. Here, your target is 100%, no any booking, so 0%. So here you can compare this pillar indicates your target, and the next pillar will indicate the completion of the target. So this is your day-wise selling price. We are on 8th of June. So 8th of June, every day the new graph will create, will show like how many monthly selling price you have done. This graph is of the leads you have taken day wise, how many leads you have taken on particular day, monthly, against how many packages you have booked this month. Okay, this is your monthly conversion day wise. For an example, on day one you are at conversion of 1%, on day three you are at conversion of 4%, then day five. So this will show your monthly conversion rate. So here you can click on monthly and see. Same you can click on weekly and check your weekly report. Weekly, how many leads you had taken, how many bookings you have done, your average selling price, your overall conversion. So from Monday, this week, leads taken, this weekly conversion rate and everything. Here you can track your day wise performance, your weekly performance and monthly performance so that you can take necessary steps to increase your bookings to achieve your target. Same you can click on custom and check your past performance. Like if you want to compare your last month with this month, you can select year, month, and you can compare that from 1st of September to 9th of September, this much booking against this 8 days. So these are the options you have to compare your daily, weekly, and custom report as well as monthly report of your company as well as of your team member. Okay, thank you.